Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are gonna be testing out Mented Cosmetics new bronzer. I know I said I'm not gonna buy more bronzers, girl. I had to because this is Mented Cosmetics. Like, really? You guys know how I feel about this brand. I had to. I really had to. But I'm gonna try my best. I'm really bad when it comes to makeup, and when I see something and I want it and I have the money, I will get it. That's just how I am. So Mented Cosmetics came out with Sunkissed bronzing powders. Cosmetics has 4 bronzers on their website: Beach Balm, Vacay, Yacht Life, and Out of Office. I got the 2 last shade, which is Out of Office and Yacht Life. Yacht Life is a deep bronzing shade and Out of Office is more on the rich side. So our Sunkissed bronzer collection gives you the peachy glow you deserve all year long. Rich in pigment and effortlessly blendable. The bronzers came in 4 gorgeous Sunkissed shades. Our bronzers are vegan. Ooh, and it also has vitamin E and A, and is made in Italy. Okay. Ooh, Italy, girl. Wow. Okay. I just fell in love with them just using the products that I purchased, and girl, I had to support them. So we're just going to show you guys what the packaging looks like. So this is the packaging, and this is Yacht Life. This is the second darkest. You know, I really love their packaging because black is beautiful, girl. This is the shade here. Comes with a mirror. Girl, I love the packaging. It's really slick and it's not bulky. The other one is Out of Office, which is the darkest shade. Ooh, she is dark, girl. So this is it here. So this is Out of Office, which is more on the rich side. Let me just show you guys what the packaging looks like. Out of Office, which Yacht Life. This is more on the contour side. I already have moisturizer on my face, so I'm gonna go ahead and use my e.l.f. Puff Puff Primer. For the foundation, I'm gonna be using the Mented Cosmetics foundation sticks, and this is T40. And I'm just gonna take that and, you know, place it, you know, just put a little bit on each side and blend it out. Brush is from e.l.f. Cosmetics. I'm just gonna blend that out. So now we have the bronzers that we're gonna try out. I did use one of the bronzers on my eyes because you guys know I like doing that. So I use Yacht Life, which I know is gonna work really good for my skin tone. Out of Office is a little bit more on the red side, but I'm gonna show you guys how it looks on my skin as well. Now the darker shade, you could use it as a contour, and the lighter shade, you could use it as bronzer. For this side, I'm gonna be using Yacht Life. It looks like it has a little sparkle stuff inside of it, but it really don't show up on the skin. So I did use it on the lid, and I thought that it would have shown up, but as you guys see, there's nothing there. So let me just give you guys a little swatch here. This is Yacht Life, and let's go with Out of Office, which is more on the rich side, and it's gonna be more for a darker skin tone, but this is really dark. And online, it didn't really look that deep, but girl, it is so rich. Okay, we're gonna go in with this Juvia's Place powder brush, and I'm just gonna go in. Okay, there's a little bit of kickback, and let's just see if it's going to look much better. Ooh, all right. This is really smooth. I did get a little kickback when I put the brush at first, but now there's no kickback, and I really do like when this happens because I don't really like a lot of powder stuff that has a lot of kickback. It just don't work for me. But guys, like, look at this. Ooh. And I'm just taking it by the air part so it will blend out properly. And you guys know, like, this is the bronzing season where everybody coming out with bronzers. I honestly don't think I'm gonna get more bronzers. I think this is enough for me. This is Yacht Life, and this is a beautiful shade, man. I really do like this. This is it. It's settled into the skin really nice. It don't really feel like a matte finish or anything. It just feel really, really creamy. So I'm gonna go in with this one. I'm scared for this shade because it's a little bit more darker. So I'm not gonna take that much of it. I think this is it. And if I need to go back again, I will, but I just don't want my face to look too dark. So you guys could have an idea. You could still pick up the darker shade if you want to. If you like a darker look, if you like more of a contour look, you could go with this shade. But I'm just going to take a little bit at a time because it's very pigmented. And you guys could see, you could work with it. I really like this shade as well. Like you guys see, and put it under here. And also I'm gonna place it by the ear part and also bring it down on my chin. Girl, this is a beautiful shade. So as you guys see, Out of Office, Yacht Life. I like Yacht Life. Out of Office is nice. I like it as well. It's not that dark because I didn't put too much of it. Then I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up. I'm gonna go in with my favorite all over the face powder, and this is from Makeup Revolution. You guys know that. You guys know I've been using this since I got it. This is just a beautiful shade. Ulta carry it now, so if you guys wanna, you know, pick this up. So I'm just gonna put it around the face. I'm not gonna put it in the middle. I want to use this powder, Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Airbrush Flawless Finish Micro Powder, and this is dark number 3. Get this powder, you're not going to regret it. It's a beautiful finish. And I'm gonna take this brush here, also from BH Cosmetics, and this is the Studio Pro number 2 brush. And I'm just gonna take that powder and just put it under the eyes here. I really like these bronzers. The bronzers are really nice on the skin. These bronzers are really, really creamy. I love the packaging. It's not bulky, so it could fit in my purse. I like the fact that it has a mirror as well. It's very flat. I like the compact. It's just a really, really nice packaging. Blends are really nice. You guys could see this side. You really can't tell. So you guys could see my face. If you guys pick any one of them, it's gonna work really good for your skin. You don't have any fallouts. It's now cakey and it's very pigmented, so you want to take a little bit at a time. I shown you guys how I build it up. Now I tried out of Office on this side and Yacht Life on the other side, and whenever I'm trying out a bronzer, I usually get the last 2 shades. I want to show you guys how it works on my skin tone. Now you don't have to pick up both of them. If you are darker than myself, you could pick up Out of Office, and if you are my skin tone, you could just go for Yacht Life. It just looks really, really nice on the skin. If you guys want to support them, I will put their information in the description box. Now if you are first time trying out their products, they have 10% off floating on their website. You could sign up, get a 10% off your first purchase. Okay, let me know in the comments below what you guys think about this brand. Do you like Yacht Life or do you like Out of Office? Now Out of Office looks really settled into the skin. You really can't tell if I have 2 shades on my skin. Now bronzers are a must-have in your collection. Of course you guys gonna see me supporting this brand more on my channel because I really do like the products. You guys are not going to be disappointed. Okay, thank you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.